What is up, my friends? It is the Income Visionary, and I want to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes today into the little things that I do to kind of optimize my shooting environment, optimize just my content in general. So today, I want to show you kind of what my current setup is and how I'm going to make it better. And I'll take you along as I build that. So currently, right now, to make it easier for yourself. This sits the camera, so that's where the camera sits. Got some nice soft light coming in here. We've got some sheer curtains, and then my computer is a little low, so I would like to have that up here. When I put my camera like this, then it will be at eye level, so we'll have the computer at eye level instead of me looking down. So this will help with like tutorials and that kind of stuff. So let's go over to the shop and we'll build this thing out. So all right, so we're over here at the shop and we're gonna build something to hold my computer up a little bit higher. I want a lot of angle to it, so let's dive in. Let's build something cool. Safety first. Now I want this with a lot of angle, so we're gonna ah! Alright, so it's coming together. It's coming together. Just gotta wait for the glue to dry. Alright, so we have a finished product. So, yeah, let's show you what it looks like. So, this is what it looks like. We've got the part that holds the laptop right here. So I added this later, kind of bezeled it off. Yeah, so my computer is really heavy, so when I drop it, then it completely falls. So I always need to set this down. Hold held it like that, but now it's significantly higher, so this is really good for when I'm doing tutorial style videos, because now the camera can be at computer level. I can essentially just look over at the computer, and then, alright, so here I am just editing the video that I just shot, and so now what I'm doing is just showing you what the demo would look like. So this is the one I shot earlier. It didn't have any sound, so I had to reshoot it for you guys. So that's what you're seeing right now, is the reshot version. So that's what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button and the subscribe button, because I release new videos for you every single day. And sometimes they're fun videos like this, where you get to see me build stuff that aren't websites. With that being said, it's the Income Visionary. Time to sign off. Are you ready to make it easier for yourself